Everyone, and welcome. Have you ever looked up at a massive commercial airliner and thought, how do we actually know that thing is safe to fly? Especially after it gets bumped around by crazy turbulence and pressure day in and day out. Well, today we're jumping right into this explainer on the training pathway for the true invisible guardians of aerospace. We're talking about NDI, or non-destructive inspection, and NDT, non-destructive testing technicians. We're going to break down exactly what's taught in this highly intensive program and how it literally builds the absolute foundation for aerospace safety. So think about this for a second. How do we guarantee an aircraft is safe without completely taking it apart, piece by piece? I mean, doing that would be incredibly expensive, and honestly, you might actually introduce new flaws just by dismantling it, right? Well, the answer is non-destructive testing. This explainer is all about the exact training program that teaches entry-level folks how to inspect aerospace manufacturing, maintenance, and repair systems without breaking or even altering a single component. It's a hyper-specialized field, and let me tell you, the training to get there is incredibly focused. Now, you might be thinking, okay, mastering aerospace safety must take years of sitting in endless classroom lectures, right? Well, actually, this program is remarkably accelerated. We're talking just 16 to 24 weeks, which comes out to about 400 to 700 instructional hours. But here is the absolute best part. A minimum of 50% of that time is purely hands-on laboratory training. Students aren't just stuck reading textbooks. They're throwing on safety gear and working their way through simulated inspection scenarios on real, actual aircraft components and industry projects. Okay, let's dive into this. What exactly are they learning in that lab? Well, they're mastering 6 core methods, which are basically inspection superpowers. It's a complete toolkit. Visual testing uses borescopes, which is kind of like a doctor's endoscope, to see deep inside complex engines. Penetrant testing relies on UV inspection lights to expose microscopic surface cracks. Then you've got magnetic particle testing, which manipulates AC and DC electrical yokes to find flaws in magnetic materials. There's also eddy current testing, using electromagnetic induction, ultrasonic testing, where they literally interpret sound waves to find hidden internal flaws, and finally, radiographic testing, using actual digital or film X-rays. It's a highly technical, totally comprehensive curriculum designed to make sure absolutely nothing gets missed. So, the crucial point is, having just the technical skills, that's not enough. The industry absolutely demands a quality-first mindset in total integrity. The program heavily emphasizes strict procedure compliance, verifying equipment calibration, and flawless, 100% accurate documentation. In aerospace, there is literally zero room for error. You have to follow approved procedures exactly, without any deviation, because just one overlooked detail on a report, that could easily compromise a flight. Let's move to and see how this builds from day one directly into career readiness. The whole pathway is incredibly structured for success. It kicks off with step 1, which is classroom instruction on complex theories, things like radiation safety and quality systems. Then, step 2 immediately puts that knowledge to work in intensive, hands-on lab sessions using industry-standard equipment. Next up, step 3 focuses on preparing students for major industry qualifications, specifically aligning with ASNT and NAS 410 standards, which are basically the global gold standards for NDT certification. And all of this culminates in step 4, actually landing a highly skilled entry-level career. And this brilliantly illustrates the massive variety of rewarding career opportunities that get unlocked once you complete the training. Graduates step right into roles like aerospace quality inspectors, failure analysis technicians, or composite inspection specialists. These positions are absolutely vital across the entire aerospace ecosystem. Whether you're working for an original equipment manufacturer building brand new aircraft or taking on a critical role within massive MRO, that's maintenance, repair, and overhaul organizations that keep our current fleets flying safely, you are in high demand. Wow, so we've covered a lot in this quick, nearly 3-minute explainer on what makes this NDT training program so incredibly comprehensive and vital. These technicians truly are the unsung heroes of the skies. They use advanced, non-destructive science to keep us all safe on every single flight. So I want to leave you with this final thought to consider. Will you become part of the invisible workforce that ensures the safety of modern aviation?